If you're looking for an app that helps you to design your home, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways I use Canva. One is to try on different colors for the exterior. One is to try different furniture pieces for an existing room. And one to create a mood board completely from scratch. Hey, I'm Tatiana, your designer BFF, and let's get started. This is a way I use to try on and create different color combinations. I use it for my projects, for my clients' projects, and it is such a easy way to see how the colors would look like together. So for example, I start with this template. I created it myself, and it has the trim color, it has the accent color, it has the main color, window colors, garage door, and the entry door. And for example, I was working with a client, and this is the original color scheme that we came up with. And then once she looked at it, she's like, I want to try something lighter for the main color. She didn't have a accent color because it was a smaller house. So here I added her actual stone from the picture that she sent me, and this allows us to see how these colors, how they all look like together. And she wanted to use to look at different colors for the shadows. So here it's more like a greenish color, here it's a blue, and here's a more aqua. So this allows me to quickly choose the color that I would suggest for her and show for her all those different colors in a combination with the rest of the colors that she has already approved. And the way I do it is I go to, for example, Sherwin-Williams, and let's try this color. I will just copy the image. I will place it here. And then if I wanted to do a main color for this one, I would just click on the color and I would do an eyedropper and I would apply this as a main color. And then I would do the same thing for all the rest of the colors. And this would allow me to see how the colors work together. If there is enough contrast, if I want something darker, any of that, I would be able to show to my client. Or if you are not a designer, if you're a homeowner, this is a great opportunity for you to see how those colors work together. I know you might be asking if I have this template for sale. I don't have it separate, but I have my Canva course for interior designers, and this template is included as a bonus. And I feel like it's a really good bonus that you would use many times, and it just saves you lots of hassle. And then next, I used to, if I have an existing room, I like to try on different furniture. So this is the living room I had. And I wanted to see what kind of furniture would look good in this living room. So I tried and I added this curved sofas, and then a coffee table, and then a different coffee table, until I found the one that I like here. I thought, what if I'm not gonna do the curved sofa? What if I'm gonna do more rectangular sofas? Do I like that better? Do I like these sofas better? So it really allows you to see the actual furniture piece that you're thinking to buy in your room, and it helps to even see how the color is going to look like. For example, you can tell that this color is a bit too cool for this living room, while this is okay, but it might be too light compared to the curtains and everything else. So this is another way I use Canva. Again, very simple to do and very quick as well. And a third way is I create a mood board from scratch. And everything on this mood board is an actual furniture piece that my client is gonna order. So I do a few different variations, and then I'm gonna, if she doesn't like something, I'm just gonna replace it and do a different furniture piece. This is the one that my client liked and finalized. But it's a really good way to see how everything, this is a studio, so everything is on one page. And it was very important for her to see how everything, all the colors, how they're gonna flow together. So I love Canva for that. It's really simple and really easy to use. And honestly, this is my first go-to tool when I start designing, and this is the one I recommend. I created a course, and I'm gonna link it so you can learn how to do that as well. And right now I'm including two bonuses. I'm including the exterior paint house template, and another bonus is you can choose any pre-made palette from my Etsy shop, and I will email it to you for free. So I hope this was helpful for you, but give Canva a try and you will love it. I would honestly not design my home or anybody else's home without using Canva.